Boat up here, and this is 13 Days of Life. You guys probably can't hear it. I just hope you can. I've been doing this for like 5 times now. Anyway, I'm doing this without earbuds this time. Let's do this. Now, if you do hear this, caution to the people who have earbuds. Okay? Let's do this. This is recommended for 13 and up, or 17 and up. And I found this thing on for free on a sale for 2 hours. I'm like, get that game, you know what I mean? Oh, humor. I'm funny. Anyway, let's play the game. There's some people. There's a villager man right there, walking to the left side. Friday, October 7th, 2016. So this was probably made in 2016. I don't know. Blankville. It does look blank here. I didn't interpret it. Nope, I'm not listening. I played this game for like 4 times already. I'm kind of getting annoyed. Now. Oh God! He almost fell. Stupid pigeons! Ugh. A little more, I'm likely to fall off the roof. Well, don't stay on the edge. I fell from a great height. It was not near the size of a 4-story building. I survived accidentally. Even here. In some time, I realized escaping the place to another doesn't really change anything. It could cause more problems or something like that. And I just can't run away from it. Parkour! Dun 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 dun. Oh man. I like how my shadow goes off of the thing. Like, look at the bottom of my character. There's a shadow going off. It's just weird. And I like how slow he walks. He's walking like slow. Like, if he was walking that slow, then I would be going that slow. I'm going like a jogging or something like that. Oh, murder is in here. Anyway, I'm gonna have to cut some of this stuff because this is 17 and up, so it's not gonna be a lot of YouTube friendly here. Oh, by the way, guess what, guys? Look. See, look. Look at the top right. Yeah, I'm dropping my keys. Let me put them back right here. Anyway, I did that because... Oh, wait. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Please stop. No. This is a key table, okay? Never heard of it. But, if you push the X button, and he picks it up, he does it by force. He like fist bumps, like, or points or something, I don't know. Anyway, let's use the fridge. He hit the fridge, if you guys can hear that. Cheese sandwich, he just slapped the fridge. If you could hear that from this very slow audio, he just cut up something. The cheese sandwich, for some reason. Now it sounds like he ate an apple and is chewing it, even though he's stuffing even more food in his face. He leaves the food on the table, waiting for it to rot. Oh my God. He waits for the food to rot. He then goes to sleep. Oh wait. I saw a movie about the end of the world. 7 years old when I watched it. After seeing the movie, I was afraid to look at the night sky. I never saw that. I know. Like, I would never be afraid of anything, even though because I knew it was not real. When I was like that, like very tiny. If I was 7 years old, 5, Actually, when I was 7, I would never, because I'm like, I'm like, oh. On the way out. Oh, no! I got my purple bag. Oh, I like how he's not running. He's walking. Hey, if you run, you probably wouldn't. The monster wouldn't get you. Okay. Oh my God! There's a door right there. Do I have to get in the door or not? It didn't let me go in the door. Go. 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 I'm pushing the act button. Go. Yeah. Up there's his pixelated face and his bony fingers. Like, bone. Every day begins with a nightmare. Cool. I can't remember the time where I did not have this nightmare. And I'm running away from that terrifying creature that looks like a flaming monster. And it's always right. There's a door right in front of me. After so many years, you think I get used to having the same nightmare. But I can't. Well, I mean, when I was littler, I actually enjoyed having nightmares because it was very interesting. Like, interesting nightmares. Like, you just, like, why did I have that dream? Why did I have it? And sometimes I just think about it and be like, whoa, I had a nightmare. Sometimes I just get very scared. Now, there's no nudity in this game. But there's bad words, so I gotta cut this out. Done with the shower toilet bowl. It looks like the toilet. Did you just flush it for no reason? There's no even other noises. There's just a flush the toilet. I'm looking at the toilet. That toilet never. That toilet looks like it's not clean. Flush the toilet. Anyway. Smack that fridge one more time. And hit that fridge. Smack it. I just have to do that. He's doing like kung fu on that fridge. Rainy weather, that's awesome. Woohoo. Get out of that house. There's this dog just waiting to steal my stuff. I just know it. Then there's a cat. Always walking the same way. Pretty weird. It glitched again. Take the bag and keys. That's pretty stupid. I already took the bag and keys. It wants me to drop my keys and pick it back up. It wants me to do that force again. That's pretty cool. It really admires my force. Oh, I can mess with the dog. Hello, doggy. He said hello, dog, but I said doggy. That's what I would say. And it's raining. Yes, I know. He likes the rain because if there's people that doesn't notice him, there's a villager again. You see him? He's right beside me. Oh, there's a little cat. Boom. The cat walked away. Okay, from him. When I say that equals... Oh shoot, I gotta cut this out. I said that's a lone wolf cat. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here. See you. And subscribe. And put a like on this video. And comment.